Yo, 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 vote for Zoe.
Check this out. Yo, 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 vote for Zoe.
What it is, bro. So yeah, we finally had a decent day out here. Big Canada flex, big bipolar weather type. And so I brought out the M. Because honestly I felt so bad about not driving it. Like I don't know. It just doesn't need to sit there. Like it's, yeah, I know, you know, it's type collectors and it's really mint and all this stuff. But like, man, cars are meant to be driven. You gotta enjoy that shit. Because you never know when shit will just flip on side of its head. Like, look at the world right now, COVID. Nobody knew that the day before this shit started that it was gonna be, right? So, just gotta drive, you know, have fun. Albeit, you know, I'm not gonna take it out when it's all icy and like fucking -8 and shit. Like, it just doesn't make sense. The tires on this car are like some high performance Summers and shit, you know? So that didn't make sense, but it's looking sunny right now. Looks good enough. I'll fuck with it. So yeah, obviously came out to my little skinnies. My little Toge lifestyle here. Also, I wanted to come get some like legit pictures. Like I'm gonna bust out the mirrorless. And we're gonna see how dope it'll be. I think this is a nice spot actually. So I'm just gonna leave this camera running, and I'm gonna be using the other camera, so it's gonna be hilarious. So let's just see how this shit works out. Busting out the Camreezy. Okay, extra greasy for the super cheesy. But TBH, the stock fucking lens is trash. Like if you don't get the kit with the legit, with the big lens, it's ass-tastic. Unless, you know, just the times where I tested it out, it was just not good lighting and whatnot, but this shit blows it out of the park.
Puff and draw while I'm fucking on a garbage slow. Yeah. When I hop up in the Wraith, I chase that smoke. Yeah. In Toronto, steady dodging potholes. In the foreign, bitch, I'm driving like an asshole. Swerving late for myself. Yeah. Y'all nigga be acting goofy, thinking that goddamn my life like a movie. Y'all niggas skimming on the bread and the coochie. Hey. Think about that bread. Said that before, don't give a fuck, bitch, I'm on a drove. Living life so lavish, walking from a dream, realize that a nigga life is average. Gotta work so hard just for a little bit of cabbage. Mind, body, and soul hard, y'all niggas soft like salad dish. Fuck about my face, I'ma go crazy. I love peso in this place. And I'm fucking on your bitch, fuck her in the face. Flying through the city so low, bitches trying to get cake. My whip so low that it's scrape. Exterminate the human race. Bitch, I live life so lavish. Woke up from the dream and I realized that I'm average. Now a nigga on the top, bitch, I'm mountainous. Gigantic titanness.
So I'm back from my little photo shoot. First photo shoot ever type. Is that a penny? Oh my gosh. Fam. 1989 penny. Man, pennies have, they're like 1 cent. Obviously everyone knows what pennies are. But they stopped making these in Canada. Like, there's no more pennies. So we round up everything. So if it's 5 cents, if it's like 3 cents, and it's 5 cents. Or if it's like 2 cents, and you can just be like, bitch, I ain't paying that extra. Here comes a lady with her dogs again. Yeah, little photo shoot successful. That was pretty cool. I got some really good shots. And like, I feel like that expanded my creative eye. Like getting those good focus shots and like nice quality lighting and shit is super sick. But I determined that you literally need a fucking like gimbal or something. Unless me, I have like fucking Parkinson's or something. I'm just about to hit up some little twisties. Realistically, I just want to get some nice shots for today. Today's just like a shooting day, you know? Fuck around with the camera, because I didn't really fuck around with that camera too much. At least, you know, now today was like, that was a really good spot. So, I'm gonna go to my little signature spot that I love so dearly. The only thing I don't like is I kind of like adjusted my seat to take like this weird shot of the cluster in the road. Now it's not perfect anymore. I got the window open a bit. I just hope it doesn't fuck it up too much. This will be alright. Early COVID, like in summer, holy fuck, like nobody was coming out, cops weren't really patrolling. I was ripping up these streets, man, ripping up this stuff, like maxing out, not maxing out, or, you know, I was going in, and I was able to like put my little stopwatch on and see how fast I can go back and forth. Like usually that's like a no-no. Like OPP patrolling this bitch like all back and forth, but. Yeah, man, so like basically some fucking square bobs figured the spot out, and then white them started to crack down, so I was like, oh fuck, man. But I'm not that worried. I got like 4 spots. This is just one. So, feels okay. Woo-wee! Man, big Ryosuke Takahashi, like. You gotta start out at the Toges, then once you master the Toges, because Toges can never be mastered. Tight. Shout out KTCG. But track is like, it's a rhythm, it's science. You can literally study somebody's speed chart and see like, look, he was at this many kilometers at this entry point. He braked here. He was holding his speed on this point. You know what I mean? You can do that at a track because it doesn't change. But on the Toges are outside. It's an uncontrollable environment. So there could be leaves, there could be different temps, there could be like a little water spot. The road can change because of the weather and all that. It's tight, you know? It's ever changing, it's everlasting. So your skills are always being tested, in a sense. A lot more than track, I would say, because, you know, shit. By the time you get to track level and you're serious about it, your car is already done set up. You got proper tires, proper. Toge is natural. You bring what you got, type, you know? Oh, that's a dope spot. I should probably pull up here, to be honest. Never change your seat position, or use the memory buttons, which I don't know how to plug Let's not go too much. Let's not go too much. You already know I'm DK out here. And niggas can't fuck with me, bruh. Niggas can't fuck with me, bruh. Spent too many years on the racing simulators. Like, don't play with me. fucking tires off anyways there, but.
We're gonna fucking blow the tires off anyways.
Hi, are you like guarding this thing? Is it okay if I take a couple pictures? Just like right, I'm gonna leave it here and take the background. Okay, well, I'm just gonna do it anyways, because I tried to ask nicely, but if you don't want to be a real person, just let me be here for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna do it anyways.
Okay, everyone, let's get started. Yes, beautiful, feeling it. Let's get some smiles. It's all in. Okay, you're an animal. Yes, there we go. You're a tiger. You're great. Now you're a lemur. Running as a pack. Yes, yes, we go left. We go right. Yes, yes, yes. There's a predator out of the jungle.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. Wow. Was it here where I used to take my biggies? I don't know. I think it was there. Honda style. I think I've been driving my Jeep for too long. One more hot boy photo shoot, and then we're good to go. Should I use the phone? Ugh. So much work! What the shit? Yo, that's sanitizer. What the fuck? Why the fuck is there sanitizer on my shit? Somebody explain!
I'm coming off the top, spitting, ain't no written guarantee, I won't stop. I'm sitting back, smoking on the finest pot. Y'all niggas gon' have to kill me just so I stop. I'm riding through the city, mental Glock, spitting bullets on my lip. I'm fucking on a bad bitch, she got some ass but no tits. Nigga, that's some real shit. Driving so fast, came home doing 170 in the AM. My brody riding with the KN. F&M 44 all on my waist. I told that little bitch fuck up on my fucking face. Driving low and slow, life is not a race. She a bougie bitch, don't like nut up in her face. My phone got Siri, I don't even use that hoe. Cause I don't like to talk to hoes, I just fuck on hoes. I order up the pasta with the cheese from Domino's.
Woo. Got a ratchet in my coat, got a girl doing coke. My watch on antifreeze, and most do the most. Getting to you like a passport. All my love, you can ask for it. Sanitize, spray a day, keep the COVID away.